Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Scorpios. So, these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So if you want clarity or answers for some circumstances today, guys, you can stay tuned for that. So that may give you clarity and guidance, Scorpios. So let's start with these cards. We have Temperance in reverse, Page of Wands, and Ten of Cups in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are quite emotional today. There are a lot of things going on today, and maybe you are interested or you are taking interest in some kind of belief. You are following some rituals or some belief, and maybe this person you love, they have their own ideas or they have their own belief system. So maybe for some of you, your belief may be different from theirs, and that may be the reason for some lack of compatibility or some misunderstanding in this relationship, guys. And maybe you are quite you are stubborn on certain things. You don't want to give up your views or ideas on certain things, and that may cause some misunderstanding, some arguments or quarrels in this relationship, guys. And Scorpios, what you see right in front of you may be your circumstances. It may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. It is something unexpected, something which you never wanted to see. So it is making you sad and you don't know how to handle these circumstances. So it may be because of someone, it may be because of this person. So you trusted them, but they have proved that they cannot be trusted. So maybe it may be someone in your work situation or in your relationship, maybe with this person, you feel that you cannot rely on them or you cannot trust them, guys. But Scorpios, I also see with these cards that this person is loyal. They have they are true to you, guys. But maybe they have some important things to do. Maybe they have their own aspirations, they have their ambitions they need to pursue. So that may be the reason they are focusing on that and they are unable to spend more time with you. So that may be the reason for some misunderstandings or troubles in this relationship, guys. But they are loyal, guys. You need not doubt them, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have Four of Cups in reverse, guys. So you are seeing a new beginning. Maybe if you are with the person you are in love with, things, maybe the troubles, whatever you faced, it is resolving, guys, and you are seeing a new face, turning a new leaf in this love, and you are moving towards a deep, meaningful connection. Or for some of you, if you are open to a new relationship, it's a new love coming towards you guys, a new love proposal, or maybe you are proposing or they are proposing, or it is a new beginning in your love life, Scorpios. So, someone interesting coming towards you guys, that is what I see. So, let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Queen of Cups. So, for your career situation, guys, you know what you need to do because you are skilled and talented and dedicated. So, your dedication is what is going to take you over all those obstacles you are facing today in your career situation, guys, Scorpios. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So, this is your first card and this is your second card. So, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says time for a nap. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, in your relationship, maybe this may not be the time for you to make plans, make any plans. If you are with the person you love, it is a good time to know yourself, to know the other person, to build that understanding and allow things to flow naturally in this relationship. So, beautiful renewal or rejuvenation is taking place all by itself, guys, and patience is the key for your heart's desire right now. So, you need to withdraw from action in this relationship and give it rest for that love and that connection can become more deeper, more refreshed, rejuvenated, and more lively today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, let us see what is the second card. What is the crystal? This is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this is the crystal for you all today. And with this crystal stands for orderliness, clearing clutter. So whatever was, bothering you, maybe emotionally or physically, you need to go for that orderliness. So orderliness in your interactions and in your thought about your relationships or interactions with the people you love, people you are close with. So this is the perfect time for yourself to journal about your thoughts and feelings when it comes about people whom you care for, guys. So if any challenging emotions come up, you need to understand that universe is here guiding you today and it wants you to be happy and you can feel happy, secure that universe's guidance is there in your life. So all you need to do is be aware of the emotions that you feel today towards the people you love or the thoughts you have towards the people you love, and See whether you need to adjust, whether you need to make any changes in your relationship, guys. So that way you are moving towards a perfect understanding and clarity. So you need to think clearly for yourself. So from your side, whatever needs to be done, you need to go for that to improve yourself, improve this relationship, or enhance this relationship. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this Crystal Spirits card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.